if you want to download Pokemon TCG on PC, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your browser. Now, as you can see right here, it says Pokemon TCG Pocket is only officially available on Android and iOS devices through the Google Play and Apple App Store. This means it's only playable on mobile in most cases, not on PC or console. You can technically play TCG Pocket on PC or Mac if you use program like BlueStacks to emulate an Android device to access the app. So we're gonna just go ahead to the BlueStack website, right? And then we're gonna just go and let me translate it to English, okay? And then type Pokemon, right? TCG Pocket, okay? And then basically go ahead and download on your device. Download that Pokemon on your device. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.